unbelievable. I have no idea.
Didn't record it though. Let's do one more time. What's worse one? He doesn't know what's going on. Okay, Shabbos. Now you can sleep. Last time, and then you go to sleep. He doesn't know. Oh, he's doing it. Oh. Finished now. He really fell asleep. Shabbos. No, you have to mean it. No. Finished. He thinks now we're crazy.